In the CRM screen, you can manage all your scanned business card contacts in one place, send batch emails, save multiple contacts to your phone book at once, export your contact list as CSV or Excel, and use filters to quickly find people by company, job title, language, and more. Tap Scan Card on the main screen to get started. Tap Scan Batch Cards button opens Create or choose Batch screen. Create a new batch or open an existing one. Once selected, the camera opens and starts scanning business cards instantly. MyBizzCard captures each card and automatically extracts the contact details. The Review Scan Card screen lets you quickly check the scanned information. Add a custom tag to each contact so you can search and organize card holders more easily later. You can also add a reminder directly to your phone book for future follow-up. And then, you can click on Next Card button to scan more cards. Select any individual card or tap Select All Scanned Cards. Then tap Send Batch Email to email multiple contacts at once. This is perfect for follow-ups, introductions, event outreach, or sales communication. Instead of emailing contacts one by one, you can manage the entire batch in seconds. Batch email saves time and makes communication with scanned contacts much easier. You can also save any selected card, or all selected cards, directly to your phone book with Save to Phonebook. Export selected cards, or the full batch, into CSV or Excel format. The exported file opens and displays all scanned card information in a structured sheet. Details like name, job title, company name, phone number, email, and website are neatly organized. This makes it easy to review, share, or import contact data into other systems. In the Batch CRM screen, you can continue adding more cards to the same batch whenever needed. This keeps all related contacts together in one organized batch list. Filter cards by language code, for example by typing ZH. You can also add a language code manually in the Review Scan Card screen. Then you can filter the cards with the language code you added. Filter contacts by job title, company name, or other card details to find exactly what you need. This makes it simple to search, group, and manage large batches of scanned business cards. Even after exiting the Batch CRM page or closing the app, everything stays ready for you. Return to the main screen, tap Scan Card, then choose Scan Batch Cards again. Open an existing batch and continue scanning, editing, exporting, or sending batch emails anytime.